So now that we've got the house all spruced up, whether you're buying or selling here, you want to know where the prices are going right now. And real estate expert Bryan Garrity, Big Daddy, joins us here this morning to talk about the 5 hottest neighborhoods in San Diego. How you doing?
I am fabulous.
You are. I mean, you're looking great.
I love it. I love coming here and having you tell me that. Thank you.
Well, come by 5 days a week.
Hey, really. But we've got a very important topic this morning. It's we're going to talk about home prices. Everybody's seeing it on the news. Home prices are soaring.
Right.
Okay, let's just break it down. So in May of, I always have to think, time goes so fast. May 2012 to May 2013, we've seen record high in 7 years. Most homes sold. In San Diego County, that was 4,200. Now, what's happening is you're going to hear a lot about hedge funds, investors
coming in and sweeping up, buying these properties.
Sweeping it up. I mean, I get a phone call literally or an email daily. Now, that could be a semi-exaggeration. How about semi-daily?
Okay.
Maybe not Fridays, but during Monday through Thursday, I'll get a phone call from somebody representing a hedge fund every day. Folks, the problem that started in the mid-2000s was Wall Street related. When you hear hedge fund, you're hearing Wall Street.
Right.
But put the two together. So it gives me a little bit of a fire in my belly, because what I'm worried about is we have these prices that are increasing. We've seen the highest number in 7 years. We have these hedge funds that are coming in that buyers are now just saying, I don't care what I have to pay for the property. I'll waive my appraisal contingency, which means regardless if it appraises or not, I'm buying it.
Wow.
So if I overpay 50 grand, I overpay 50 grand. You'll have listing agents that have the nerve to say, don't submit an offer that has an appraisal contingency on it. Red light, stop and step back and think about it. We want to get people the most for their money, period. And it's just very frustrating. And the whole hedge fund thing is probably another topic that we can talk about, but it's something that we're seeing a lot of in San Diego.
So there is a danger then of a bubble appearing again.
Well, Friday in the afternoon, which was perfect, a pundit, an economist, finally came out and said, look, if this continues, if these prices continue to go at this rate, the average pay rate for Americans are only 1 or 2%. Now, someone may be sitting home saying, no, I get 4% every year. No, you got to look at the national average. So we could literally hit a inflation bubble that would blow us from here to China, and it would be a really, really bad thing. We'll be back. 5 top zip codes in San Diego, amazingly enough, were all in North County. This is where you saw the most activity. Let me run through them real quick.
I'm not seeing Alpine there.
It's not there. I'm
Come
sorry.
on.
I thought of you too. I thought of you. I did.
Thanks.
But you saw the most homes sold in Carmel Valley. It's close to Qualcomm. It has highest rated schools. Rancho Bernardo, it's on the I-15 corridor. Oceanside, there's more affordability. You've got the military. And then the other ones, I forgot. No, I'm teasing. We had Rancho Bernardo, Carmel Valley, Carlsbad. People like the proximity to the beach. Plus, there's a lot of new builds in Carlsbad.
Right,
so you can get a brand new house out there in La Costa, Carlsbad. So that's why you're seeing these numbers go up, these areas being the most popular. And people have to be very leery about what it is you want to pay, and you want to get yourself a house. We don't want to recreate what happened in the mid-2000s. Or I guess the short sale section of the bank is just going to remain open forever. I don't know.
Yeah, open for business forever.
Yeah.
Well, we don't want to see that. Now, you've got listings from La Jolla to El Cajon.
Everywhere.
Yeah, all over.
Everywhere. Yeah, absolutely.
And, well, let's take a look at the La Jolla one right now, just as an example.
Perfect example.
Yeah.
Sold for $525,000 a couple months ago. I now have offers on it for $779,000.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, they redid it.
Right.
But
they're going to recoup their investment for sure.
Recoup the investment and then some for sure. And it's a great, I mean, it is a beautiful place. I mean, it's worth it, and it's in line with where the market is right now. It is. So this place has been done to a T. It's a perfect example of picking something up more of a distressed nature at $525, turning it into a $779 listing. That took a lot of work for them to in there, but it shows you just the way prices have escalated. We couldn't have done that a year and a half or 2 years ago. No way.
Well, it's moving now. You're on the radio Wednesdays.
Radio
1 o'clock.
Wednesdays at 1 o'clock. Talk about everything, you name it. We've got a great audience. It's growing. I love it. It's a fun thing to do.
ESPN Radio 1700.
1700, or you can stream live on the internet, sandiego1700.com. But join us because it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, and it's not just about real estate. It's a whole lifestyle show.
Whole lifestyle show.
Beautiful.
Got to get you on there. You're
well,
a celebrity.
You know what? You know the reason I do love those socks.
Here's my leg on my sock.
Hold your foot up there when we come back. Hold that sock up there. Get it up.
There we go. Do you like my sock?
Look at that.
Yay, pretty socks. I can't get it.
You know, he's doing that because 6 months ago, when you weren't feeling well, you didn't have enough energy to raise your foot up.
Are you kidding me? I had barely enough energy to get here. But anyway.
It's all good now.
It's really good.
All right, well, you get in touch with Bryan Garrity, our real estate expert, and he'll be your real estate expert, too.
Absolutely.
For more information, you go to san diego6.com and you click on San Diego Living.